I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Malita, who's letting us go ahead and show off her scar. So Malita actually is back for a second procedure, and Malita gave me the opportunity to try to find her scar, which she said that majority of her family members and even her hairstylist sometimes came in and find. And this is what a typical scar here at Natural Transplants looks like. Very fine pencil tip type of scar. It's about 20 centimeters, 25 centimeters, up to 30 centimeters in length. But that's one thing that we take pride in here at Natural Transplants, is making sure that you either can never find the scar and you'll never be able to see it once you let your hair grow out. So again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. If you're looking for a scar revision or you're looking for a hair transplant with a minimal to no scar, this is what to expect.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.